So investing in a home, you have to have all cash, or can you leverage a mortgage?
To be honest with you, yeah, obviously cash is king. Credit takes you to the next level. So even if, let's just say you're buying a house for 100,000, right? If you have 100,000 in the bank and you're looking to buy all cash, that's great for you. But to be honest with you, you should be leveraging your credit. That way you do 20% down, and then you still have money that where you can apply it to other properties. At the at the end of the day, you're going to go a lot further than the person who's took their only 100,000 to purchase.